Hi everyone, hopefully you are doing great at your homes. Today, welcome back with another new video. In this video, our topic is top 5 SEO agencies to help you rank in 2023. So, here we have a list of top agencies which can you follow their tips and tricks and rank in 2023. So, the first one is Ninja Promo. Let's discuss about this company that was founded in 1995, and I personally use this. That's really help you to rank in your website, your YouTube channels, your post, your blog post, and your reels, and much more. And the second one we have is Smart Sites. Its rating is 4.8. That's really cool. And the third one is Hobbyist. On page optimization, off page optimization, content optimization, technical optimization, and blacklinks. They provide all you a bundle of SEO that really help you to rank in 2023. And the fourth one is Internet Marketing Agency. This is this company is related to Facebook metadata and YouTube. And the next one is Live Marketing, and its rating is 4.9. That's really good, and it's from United States, small and mid-market businesses, and more than 1,000 millions people use this website. That's really cool. And the sixth one we have is Media Agency, a full services marketing agency for Amazon and e-commerce brands. This website is really help you to engage more people in your websites like e-commerce websites, Amazon and Amazon SEO, especially for Amazon SEO. And the seventh one is Ernst Media. This is best for Google Ads agencies. More than 15 years experience in critical digital threads for brand and the products. And we have the eighth one is Max Audience. This is best for social media marketing, like if you want to rank your or Insta followers, Facebook followers, Facebook page followers, and YouTube, as well as Twitter followers. And the ninth one is Jumpfly. This is a smart digital marketing agency that's really cool for Amazon marketing services. And the tenth one is Volume 9. This is best for you rank your products. SEO, basically, this website provides SEO six steps approach to generate organic traffic when you partner with the Denver SEO agency. This provides you SEO keywords optimization, page optimization, as well as WordPress and plus blogger websites. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.